Hello guys, welcome back to a new video. I know it's been a long time. I've just been very busy with a whole bunch of stuff. And today's video, it's actually going to be unboxing, not one, not two, but 3 Pokemon sets. I just want to do this because I haven't done one of these in a long time. So I'm like, yeah, let's get some, see what cards we get to add to the collection, see what new cards we have out. I'm going to start off with the Dragonite container. Been a while since I opened one of these. Pops it right open. Nice, it has Dragon Claw as its move. Love the graphic on that. Digital game card for online. And a couple booster card packs. So I'm going to open these up as we go to see which ones I have. Okay. Start off with this first one. I might actually just break these down into 3 videos because I didn't think about how long this video is going to be. But we'll find out in a minute. Especially because it's going to take me a while to get used to reopen these packs. There we go. See right here we have well, the energies look a whole lot different than they used to. I'm used to these having the wings on the energies. That's a whole lot different. So, got this guy here who's a new character I haven't seen before. And then, Scrotland. With some pretty strong moves. Let's open up another pack. Whoa, this one's pink. Oh, this is a fairy type. I forgot. So, I found out from a customer where I work. Fairy types are now going to be very rare because all fairy types now, this is a fairy type I just pulled out, all fairy types are now going to be marked as poison types. So I'm really happy to see I actually got a fairy type. Put that aside. And definitely I remember this guy. Yes. So that's 2 packs down. Let's see what else I get here. I just might go these very quickly and show which ones I like. If not, I'll definitely going to be posting them on my Instagram. I'll put that down in the comment section below. Rockruff. I've never heard of this Pokemon before. Put that booster piece aside. Dragon type. A Dragon type Gloom. Wow. Then a Grass Energy. Go. Oh, that pack looks nice. So there's like a whole bunch of booster packs in these. So yeah, I'm definitely going to be doing one case uploads because there's doing all 3 of these in one is going to be a very long video because I'm already at 3 minutes and 20 seconds. Finchling. Wow. Chosen Belt, and then Jangmo, I think it's the name pronounced. I haven't seen this Pokemon either. Dragon Claw and Bulletproof are the 2 moves. So sorry for the hype, everyone. I'm going to make sure I put that in the title that this is part 1 of 3. Because there's no way this is all going to be done in one big thing. Take that out. Let's see what cards we have. Hippon. And a fairy charm. Okay. That's a fairy charm. That looks pretty cool. See, we're about... This one here is just halfway through now of the booster packs that came with the case. Cupshoe. I can't even remember how to pronounce this one's name. This is very disappointing of me being a Pokemon fan because I haven't played in about 2 years now. This one here, I remember. This one here is a very great character. Definitely going to be having that in my deck to use. Another beautiful booster pack cover. I don't know why. That's probably another thing that draw me into playing the cards again, was just all the awesome pack designs. I got a Magikarp. Yes. One downside of always playing Pokemon Go. All the Magikarp candy you need to get a Gyarados. Oh wow, a shiny Muck. Even though it doesn't say shiny Muck, that's the shiny type Muck, as I know it from Pokemon Go. And then there's a character I haven't seen before either. Yeah, I never see all the people talking smack in the comments. Hi, people talking smack in the comments. I love you. You're not a real Pokemon fan because you don't know who the names or don't know how to pronounce half the names. That is very correct. That's why I'm not even going to try pronouncing the names of the ones I don't know or how to pronounce them, because that is a total insult. Staryu, nice. I gotta put that card over here. I haven't seen this one before. This is the second card I have. It looks like a... Yeah, it just looks like a giant sword. And a Staryu with a Kakuna. Oh my goodness. Wow. Took me that long to say Kakuna. Beautiful Charizard on the cover of this one. That looks amazing. I really hope I get some other good cards in here that I haven't seen.